Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The speeding truck on the wet road caused it to overturn by the roadside. The moment the truck lost control on the highway, causing it to crash into the barrier and overturn. The roads often bring us a mix of heart-pounding close calls and unbelievable driving moments that leave us astonished. This video is created for educational purposes and includes valuable original text commentary. Let's get it on. Apply the brakes gently and gradually to avoid skidding. If your vehicle is equipped with ABS, maintain firm but steady pressure on the brake pedal. Please slow down when there are areas of water on the road that haven't drained yet. Everyone, wishing drivers a safe journey. Hey, stick to your lane and stop going into the oncoming lane. Luckily, that driver reacted really quickly. Hey man, pay attention to brake lights and traffic flow ahead of you. It's truly a nightmare. Be careful on wet roads, everyone. Wow, that is so scary. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Slow down, my friend. The road is unpredictable. What's wrong with that white truck driver? Luckily, no accident happened. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Oh, please pay attention to the height, width, and length of your truck, including your trailer. Oh dear, before the trip, make sure to tighten the log securely. Luckily, no one was driving next to that truck. I hope he learns his lesson after all. Glad he's okay. Oh, what's going on with this driver? He must have fallen asleep. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. Oh, what is going on? Glad everyone is safe. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Oh dear, he may have been distracted. You will have a $1,000 fine for this. Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. Oh, what is going on? Thankfully, the driver is safe. This was totally unexpected incident. Thankfully, both were fine. Oh, it seems like he lost his balance. Please be careful, everyone. Oh, was that a trash bin? Luckily, no accident happened. Hey, please adjust your trailer properly. Oh my, stay safe out there, folks. Thankfully, the incident was not severe, and there were no injuries. Heavens, hopefully someone will warn him. Pray everyone is fine. Obey speed limits, wear seat belts, and avoid reckless driving. Everyone, you really need to slow down on a rainy day. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.